that was the last time you hear this car with an exhaust. One last word for you guys, and now I will take everything off. Well, not everything yet, like the exhaust. Let me just show you the exhaust, the Josie exhaust, the sway bars, the chassis brace, and of course the front sway bar. And these I'll do maybe in about 2 to 3 weeks, because I don't have the time to do all that today. And this is the stock exhaust and sway bars and the chassis brace. All right, let's get it. Let's make it happen. All right guys, just like that, we are all done, and it was just too much work to film, and people already know how to take off an exhaust, put them back on, and sway bars and chassis brace and all that. So it took me about maybe 3.5 hours. Now it's pouring outside. Of course, it's Florida. What do you know, it's always raining, even in January. Anyways, now the car's gonna sound sad. This is the Josie exhaust. Now, like I said, someone in Tampa is gonna drive that one to buy this. And then this is the chassis brace and the F Sport sway bars. So it's all done. The only thing I have left is the F Sport shocks and springs. These I'll do maybe in a few weeks. And the rims, I will take these off, but I have to buy new tires for the stock rims. But these I will have to, I will post these for sale as well, but I have to take my TPMS sensors off because these things are too expensive. So I was gonna leave them in there and then buy brand new ones, but it's like $110 for each, like for one. So I would have to spend about $440 plus tax just for TPMS sensor. So I don't want to do this. And then what I have left is the steering wheel, the CarPlay thing, and that's the only thing. I think that's the only thing I have left to take. Those things are steering wheel, CarPlay, the rims, and the shocks and springs, and that's it. And I will take the car to a place so they can do a paint correction and all that, so I can post it for sale. And these I have to take these off too. They're easy, and the front lip. Other than that, this is it. Saturday. Now let's start the car. Let's start the car and see how it sounds. Let's see. No, damn, what a difference, man. Oh man, I missed it already. It's all quiet now, all quiet. All quiet now. All right guys, this is it for today's video. If you need any parts, like I know the Jersey exhaust is pretty much sold, and the F Sport sway bars and the chassis brace, but the shocks and springs will be going for sale. Let me know if you need them. And the rims, now for the rims, if you're in Florida, it would be better because not just the rims and tires. These tires look brand new. They only have 7,000 miles on them. It's the Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUs. They're pretty much brand new. So let me know. I know shipping is expensive, so if you're in Florida, you can pick those wheels up. Just let me know. And I think that's it. Happy New Year. Have a good day, good night, and I will see you guys in the next one.